Hello students, welcome for the fourth unit PowerPoint presentation, social movements and their political implications. And today is the last topic of this unit, that is the endowment movement. And this last topic we will see what are the different causes of the endowment movement, then different political implications taken by the government to eradicate this environment problem, and different kinds of social environmental movements have been started across the country to conserve environment. Then let's see first what is environment. Environment is the sum of total of all biotic and abiotic, that is living and non-living factors and conditions that surrounding and potentially influences organism without being their constituent part. Constituent part. Whatever the things we see around us, it is nothing but the environment. So environment consists of living things as well as non-living things also. It includes climate, atmosphere, air, soil, water, light, temperature, fire and the like, or as like same again many things which are a part of the environment. The incessant exploitation of the natural resources and biodiversity has led to the environment. For the self purpose of, in the name of the development, we are destroying this environment. We are cutting down the forest, we are doing the deforestation, the soil erosion is done, marine pollution is there, air pollution is there, sound pollution is there. Number of the animals and the birds, their specific species are going to be disappear from the earth, and this is, and for this all the human beings and their activities are responsible. For the development, we are making number of the railway tracks, industrial areas, biggest dams, aeroplane runways, and for number of the things, even for the huge buildings, we are destroying our nature. But this nature, as we are destroying, it will cause to our destroyment also. So let's see what are the causes for the environment movement. If we want to save our future, we have to save the environment, and to create this awareness, that number of the movement have been started to save environment, and what are the reasons or the causes behind those environment movements. So let's see. First one, to protect the environmental degradation. Degradation means getting lower. जैसे एक निसर्ग या जिसे हम प्रकृति कहते हैं, उसकी हालत बिगड़ती जा रही है या फिर कम कम होती जा रही है. The government of India has taken measures for economic development, including industrial and technological development. This has led the industrialization and urbanization and their adverse effect, like losses of cultivable land and on the fertility of land. Yeah, nowadays everywhere can be seen that the industrialization, wherever we find number of the factories, industries and mills are there. Where earlier number of the trees used to be, but nowadays there are the open grounds which are used for the construction of buildings, roads and many things. So because of industrialization and under urbanization, the natural environment is getting destroyed, and its level, the air is polluted, soil is polluted, we are not getting a proper cultivable land, and if the land is there, it become the unfertile. We are not getting, some areas are not getting any kind of crops, which are become like a barren land, which is like a useless for the agriculture, for the farmers also. So only because of industrialization and urbanization also. Second point, to protect the biodiversity. Yeah, as we've seen that number of the special animals and birds, their species are getting disappear from the earth. A speciality of Karnataka, that 25% of the rare animals which are found in rare animals found in India, out of that 25% rare animals are going to be found in Karnataka itself. So Karnataka as well as our country, which is very rich in the biodiversity, but nowadays it is need to protect the biodiversity. Deforestation for the fuel and construction purpose, we have left the wildlife and birds to become the orphans nowadays. लकड़ियों का इस्तेमाल हमने जलाने के लिए किया, घर बांधने के लिए किया, फर्नीचर बनाने के लिए किया, पूरे जंगल काट दिए, कंस्ट्रक्शन के लिए उसका इस्तेमाल किया गया, लेकिन उस जंगल में रहने वाले प्राणी पंछी उनका क्या फिर? जैसे हम जंगल में घुस गए उसी तरह वो जानवर हमारे खेतों में, खलिहानों में, हमारे गांव में घुसकर वो अब लोगों को परेशान करने लगे हैं, क्योंकि हमने पहले उन जानवरों को परेशान किया. We destroyed first nature, so these animals are lost their shelters and number of the peoples are becoming victim of the number of the wild animals nowadays. So to conserve or to protect the biodiversity, number of the environment movements have been started. Among them, Chipko movement is there, Apiko movement is there, Save Western Ghat is there, Narmada Bachao movement is there. So these all the movement have been started to protect our environment and biodiversity. Third point, environment education and consciousness. Nowadays, as like a computer science P, there is environment science, this new subject has introduced at every level, even especially schooling level. Living at amidst environment, formal education in school, college and non-governmental organization have created awareness and consciousness among human beings. Programs to create this awareness among the minds of the children and peoples. So government has introduced number of the programs, rallies and jathas also, where the people can become aware about it. या जैसे स्कूल कॉलेजेस में ये सब्जेक्ट रहता है, जिस सब्जेक्ट के कारण बच्चों के मन में अवेयरनेस क्रिएट की जाती है, उसी प्रकार कुछ एनवायरमेंट प्रोग्राम्स होते हैं, कुछ मंडल होते हैं जो जाकर रोड शोज करते हैं, रैलीज निकालते हैं या वन एक्ट प्ले करते हैं, जिनके द्वारा लोगों में अवेयरनेस क्रिएट की जा सकती है. ये इवन थ्रू द एडवर्टाइजमेंट आल्सो द अवेयरनेस इज क्रिएटेड अबाउट द एनवायरमेंट, एंड दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट नाउडेज. एंड द लास्ट पॉइंट इज टू कर्ब द एनवायरमेंट डिके. डिके यानी जो नाश हो रहा है उसको संवारने के लिए या फिर उसको निकाल देने के लिए. The greediness of the people of excavate and exploit the resources have resulted in the soil erosion, drying of rivers and reservoirs, and pollution of water, air and sound. Excavation यानी जो जमीन के अंदर भूगर्भ में जो बसे हुए अलग अलग संसाधन होते हैं, जैसे खनिज या फिर संसाधन होते हैं, जैसे पेट्रोल है, डीजल है, केरोसिन है, या फिर एलपीजी है, या फिर चांदी हो, सोना हो, बॉक्साइड हो, आयरन हो, तो इनको सब निकालने के लिए जो बड़े बड़े मशीन्स लगाए जाते हैं, जिनके कारण ध्वनि प्रदूषण होता है, हवा प्रदूषण होता है, या फिर वाटर पोल्यूशन भी होता है. सो फॉर दिस ऑल द एक्टिविटीज वी ह्यूमन बींग्स आर रिस्पॉन्सिबल and we are going to destroy the nature itself. So to stop that, the people has to be aware to maintain equilibrium, to pressurize the people in a power to take measures. These movements have been emerged. Yeah, as we take a rally, as we protest against these kind of problems, then only the politicians and the government officers will become aware about the environmental problems, and they will make some of laws. So these are the different reasons. That's why the environmental movements have been started across the country. Thank you, students.